Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way to jailbreak your Firestick, or in other words, to get hundreds of useful apps which you can use to watch movies, TV shows, live sports, spicy content, or live TV on your Firestick. And the whole setup process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your Firestick, and in the search bar, you start typing downloader. So that's the name of the app we are going to download. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, you have to go to the settings on your Fire TV stick, open that list of settings, and then go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and now from here what you have to do is locate downloader and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. So let's do that together. Click on this button, and now we got a list of apps on our Firestick. Well, we'll get in a couple of seconds. Yeah. So here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV stick. However, before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So go straight back to the list of apps on your Fire TV device. We open it up on your Fire TV, and now there's the downloader. So let's open the loader. And now what you have to do in here is open that search bar And in the search, start typing the code, which will be 21254. So once again, it's 21254, enter the code and click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Here, I just have to click on disagree and close, then let's make it full screen mode. And basically what you gotta do in here is click on that big green download button, and now the download of the alternative app store has started. It is, by the way, called APK Time. Then click on install, and now this alternative app store got downloaded and installed to your Fire TV stick. After that, click on done, because this way you get the option to delete installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, which is right here, you will find this new alternative app store which we got for you. So it will be right here. However, before actually using it, we need to go to settings one more time. So let's do it. Click on that button, then go to My Fire TV, go to developer options again, install known apps, and now turn that option on for APK Time, because we'll need these settings to allow APK Time to download other applications from the internet for us. And now finally go to the list of apps of your Fire TV stick, locate APK Time right here, and now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way APK Time is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then you can safely open APK Time. So here we go. And now when the app opens, you'll see different categories such as top applications, animation, application seekers, entertainment, essentials, Fire Stick devices only, gaming, graveyard, live TV, music, players and browsers, sports, tools, and so on. So if you open any of those categories, let's say we open players and browsers, you get access to loads of apps from this category. So just select any of the apps, hit the download button, and the app will be downloaded to your Fire TV stick. So this way you can jailbreak your Fire Stick and get loads of useful apps which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. So enjoy this guide and see you next time. Bye bye.